I got something very special to show you today. No. I'm not talking about my Brazilian wax. This is not Nonnina after dark. I'm talking about a different forest. My flowering vegetable plants. I got this tomato plant for $1. They said, Nonnina, you are such a ray of sunshine. You could probably bring this plant back to life and growing these fresh tomatoes in no time. And also my jalapeno plant, because in case of a future dish I want to spice things up with a little rumba. I know, I was a little disappointed, there's no eggplants. And now let's move on to the lovely dish we're going to prepare today. Easy, healthy, and always gluten-free. It's a chicken piccata with a caprese salad. And now we'll go over the ingredients. We got 12 ounces of artichoke hearts, straight from my heart to yours. 2 tablespoons of butter. 3 cloves of garlic, freshly minced. 3 tablespoons of capers. We need some fresh parsley. And 2 lemons, 1 diced, and the other one cut in half. 1/4 cup of white wine. 2 tablespoons of olive oil, straight from Italy. Pink salt, freshly ground pepper, and of course our chicken breast. When I pull out my breast, everyone always gets so handsy. I tell them Nonnina has enough for everyone. Okay, we're ready to get started. So we'll take our olive oil and 2 tablespoons into the pan. That's a 1, and 2, and a little extra for love, of course. And now we'll put our chicken breast in the pan, and we'll brown them on both sides before we put them in the oven. Ain't that nice? While this is cooking, you want Nonnina to tell you a joke? Why was the breast so angry? Because they never get enough support. It's almost ready to be flipped. Before we flip the bird, we'll take our salt and we'll grind our pepper. And then we'll turn our breast over to the bottom. We want to tan both sides. And now we'll salt and pepper this side. So nice. And we're ready now to put the chicken in the oven. Set it for 350. I always like my chicken without the bones. That way I don't have to worry about anyone jumping them. And after that, we'll prepare the sauce. Get all those little chicken pieces. Okay, little guys, time to go in the oven. See you in a few minutes. Okay, so we're gonna put our ingredients in to make the sauce. We take our artichoke hearts, put them in the pan. Take our butter. And our garlic. You put enough garlic in, you don't have to worry about teaching the birds and the bees. Nice. And our capers. Get that all in there. And a little bit of our parsley. Make it all look nice. And we'll squeeze our lemon halves. I got my squeezer. That's the one. Get all those juices in there. And that's a 2. And our white wine, Sauvignon Blanc. 1/4 cup. Or a little extra. Ooh, that's nice. Ooh, that's nice. Our pink salt. Our pepper. And then we'll put our lemon slices on top. Spread it all out. It's such a pretty sauce. And we'll turn this on and we'll let it simmer at low heat. Perfect. Woo, gonna fix myself. One's bigger than the other, so it kind of drifts a little bit. So while that's all cooking, we can get Caprese crazy now. So let's go over our Caprese Salad ingredients. We have 3 heirloom tomatoes. We got the mozzarella fresh, of course. Mine's long and thick. We drizzle the balsamic, about 2 tablespoons. And of course, the fresh basil from my plant. So what we do is we cut out the top of the tomato. I did 2 already, and I'll do the 3rd right here. We'll cut that out and then we'll slice it up. And pop that sucker right out of there. Whee! And slice it up. Ooh, that one's a little mushy. That one's just right. Perfect. And we take mozzarella and we slice that up too. And we put it right on top of the tomatoes. And we'll salt the tomatoes. And now we're ready for the final step of the Caprese salad. You take your tomato and your mozzarella and 2 leaves of the basil. You keep going. Another tomato. Another mozzarella. And another 2 leaves of the basil. And now we'll take our 2 tablespoons of the balsamic. And you drizzle it right over. Very nice. So easy and fresh, just like Nonnina. And our chicken is ready, and we'll put it in the sauce and let it simmer together for 3 minutes. It's looking so nice. All good. And the chicken is all ready. We got 2 pieces on the plate. And we take 1 lemon and put that right on. And we take a spoon and we take a couple of the artichokes and place it nicely on there. And you get a little bit of the sauce with the capers. There, 1 more. And our dish is ready to be served. I hope you enjoyed the show. Feel free to give me a big thumbs up and subscribe. And if you want to see more shows, ding the bell and your shows will come into your feed. And if you want to leave me any positive comments, I would love to respond. And don't forget to share me with all your friends. Give them the gift of Nonnina. And remember, if Nonnina can do it, anyone can do it. Buon appetito! Ciao!